Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a wrap skirt. This wrap skirt is going to be completely self-drafted and you can use your own body measurements to make it. This is a thing that I mentioned in my summer sewing plan video, so I've been looking forward to making it for a long time now. I'm excited and I think it will pair well with the last week's video, the shared top. So let's get started. To start off, we're going to need to draw the pattern pieces for the skirt. On a large piece of paper, draw a square that's 1/4 inch of the waist by the length from the waist to the desired end length of the skirt. Mark 2 inches below the top of the skirt. Then draw a curved line connecting this marking to the corner. Mark where the largest part of your hip is on the pattern pieces. Then draw a line that measures 1/4 the length of the largest part of your hip. Draw a line connecting the 2 points and make sure it extends till the end of the skirt. On the bottom of the skirt, go up by 2 inches and draw a curved line connecting it to the corner. After writing place on fold at the edge of the skirt back piece should be complete. For the skirt front, you're going to take the skirt back and draw a curved line connecting the 2 corners. Cut out 2 mirroring skirt front pieces and 1 skirt back piece. Sew the 2 front skirt sides to the back skirt at the side seams. Try on the skirt and draw 2 darts in the back depending on how much or how little the skirt needs to be adjusted. Hem the edge of the skirt by folding the edge in by 1/4 an inch, then 1/4 an inch again, and sewing in place. Cut out a waist tie that is 4 inches by 2 times the length of your waist plus 24 inches. Attach the waist tie to the top of the skirt, making sure that both of the pretty sides are facing down for the 2 pieces. Fold the waist tie in by 1/4 an inch, then over to the other side. This is kind of hard to explain, but hopefully it made sense. Now the waist tie should look like this so that basically no raw edges are showing. Seam rip a small hole in the side seam of the waist, so that way you have a place for your tie to go through, and sew in place. Now your wrap skirt should be complete. I am so happy with the way that this wrap skirt turned out. I think it makes a great addition to my summer wardrobe. Please make sure to subscribe if you liked this video. Thanks for watching, bye!